How to turn on two-factor authentication on Amazon. By turning on the two-factor authentication, you can protect your account from any unauthorized access. To turn it on, just hover over Account and List and a drop-down menu will open up. Click on the Accounts option and then open up Login and Security. From this section, if you scroll down a bit, you will have an option of two-factor verification. Click on Turn On. Now a code will be sent to the email address that you have linked with your Amazon. Type in the code and click on Submit Code. In the next section, you can see the details of how two-factor authentication work. Whenever you log into your account after you turn on the two-factor authentication, you type in your password as normal, and in the next step, you'll need to enter in the OTP which Amazon will send you. You just need to type in the OTP and only then you'll be logged into your account. Scroll down and click on Get Started. Now either you can use your phone number or the Authenticator app. If you use your phone number, just type in your phone number, choose your country code and click on Continue. Now a OTP will be sent to the mobile number that you entered. You will need to enter in the code and click on Continue. If you use the Authenticator app, such as the Google Authenticator, you can just scan in the code and add in a new account. After that, you will successfully turn on two-factor authentication on your Amazon account. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys found this video helpful, and also subscribe to our channel. That's all for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.